For number 9, it just asks us to find the value of c to complete the square. So right now this is incomplete. To find that constant, what we need to do is first of all find the b term. So the b term is hold on. Notice all these have a mistake. I am so sorry. There's supposed to be an x next to each one of them. Okay, sorry. There's supposed to be an x to each one of these. Okay, because what you're doing is finding the b term. So the b is equal to 22. Okay, because again, right, the standard form is a x squared plus the b is the one in front of the x plus the constant. Okay, so what I circled here, which is the b term. Okay, the b term is 22, right? We first of all divide this by 2, getting us 11. Then we have to square it. That gets us 121. So that c is equal to 121. That is the constant. So if we add a 121 here, right, this becomes a perfect square for us to factor. Okay, so that's it. But this is technically the answer. All I want is this constant here. All right, let's do this one. Okay, let's find the b term first. So the b term here is negative 16. We want to divide it by 2. That becomes a negative 8. Then we square it. Negative 8 squared becomes 64. That is the constant we're adding. So x squared minus 16x, we're going to add this 64. Okay, so the constant here is 64. That's our answer because we can now factor that. C. Let's grab the b value first. The b value here is negative 14. We want to divide this by 2. This gets you negative 7. Then we use square it. Negative 7 squared, it is 49. Remember, any number squared is always going to be positive. So that constant that we're adding is 49. So x squared minus 14x, we're going to add this constant of 49. This will complete it. Okay, so the answer is c is equal to 49. Right, and the last one, the b value is 8. We want to divide this by 2. This gets us 4. Then we square it. 4 squared is 16. So the constant we're adding is 16. Let me write the factor, the quadratic with the constant in it. X squared plus 8x. Then we want to add that 16 here. This would now become a perfect square. So there you go. That is how you find the constant to complete the square.